morning, guys. So next week, since I shot at that gobbler, it's Saturday the 27th. I just hooted back here. We're back in the same woods. We're gonna go down to the bottom. We're up top right now. So let's see if anything was up here. I don't think there is. Yeah, it's a little windy, so it's hard to hear here. So I'm gonna get down under the hill down there and set up, and hopefully hear one gobble soon. That the old 12 gauge with us again. 20 gauge what I had last week. So hopefully the pumpy can kill us a big gobbler. It's warm, windy, and I haven't heard anything yet, but that could change any minute. So I'll let you guys know when I gotta find a spot to get set up. Alright, just got set up. We're in the same spot that we called that one gobbler to last week up in this big giant oak here. Windy. I haven't heard anything yet, but that could be about 9 feet or way over there, like that one was up right. It's just windier, so it'd be a lot harder to hear them. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer, and I'll probably give it a couple calls, and I'll pick you guys up and let you guys know if we get any gobbles. Okay. I'm walking. I don't even know. I think I'm part of the woods. Heard one goblin this morning. Sounded to be way off, so I walked all the way up here. Got to the top where I thought it was goblin at. Called a few times. Nothing. Now I'm just walking out, thinking about where I should try next. So, thinking of when we actually have a plan. Alright guys, this second weekend of the turkey season, and third weekend we've counting youth, but second of the real turkey season. I went out Saturday, as you guys saw, caught one goblin and called in a hen, as you guys seen. And that was about it. Today's Sunday, and I didn't go. Dad went and had one going nuts, but never got a shot at it. So, another good weekend of turkey season. Hopefully, I can get out sometime this week, or definitely be out next weekend, and hopefully we can get a bird on the ground soon. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in part 3.